Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is reiterate. It is pronounced re-i-ter-rate, and it is spelt R-e-i-t-e-r-a-t-e. Think re, then it, then and then ate. Reiterate means to say something again or a number of times, typically for emphasis or clarity. For example, you could say, because he was not listening, she reiterated everything she just said. The word reiterate comes from the late Latin reiteratus, meaning to repeat. This in turn came from the prefix re, meaning again, and the Latin iterare, meaning to repeat. So this means to repeat again. And in fact, it means exactly the same thing today. What's the longest you think you could talk non-stop for? There's a question for you. Well, in 2004, Louise Collett entered into the Guinness Book of World Records for giving the longest recorded speech, which lasted 48 hours, or 2 days. However, since 2004, his record was beaten. So, Collett started again, and in 2009, he gave another record-breaking speech, this time lasting 124 hours. Or just over 5 days. Do you think you could talk that long without reiterating anything you've said? I think it would be tricky. Reiterate is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say the speech was carefully written, so much so he didn't reiterate himself even once. Reiterate is defined in the dictionary as to say something again, once or several times. Reiterate's synonyms include repeat, say again, redo, replicate, duplicate, restate, retell, recapitulate, go over and over and over, iterate, and the antonyms include, well, these are tricky, but we could say to deliver once, to say once. Not absolute antonyms there, but they're on the right lines. So, see if you can notice anyone reiterating anything they say today. It could be a friend repeating a story or your teacher repeatedly telling off your class for talking too much. Either way, impress your friends and family by using your new word, reiterate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.